Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is iClone 8 3D animation software. How to import the Polyheaven HDRI 8K Tonemap into iClone 8 3D animation software to make it become the IBL, what we call the image-based lighting, and also the whole image will contribute as a 360-degree panorama rather than the traditional iClone 8 sky. At the same time, it will contribute as a skylight, which will cause the lighting effect on any of your 3D scene in iClone 8 3D animation software. This is not the original traditional sky method that used in iClone 8. For most of the time, most of the user in iClone 8 will just go to the sky, and then they will just choose any of a random sky and then change the sky texture, replace it with the HDRI 8K tone map that downloaded from Polyheaven. But that is not a good method because for the normal sky in iClone 8, it won't contribute any of the lighting effect. It is not image-based lighting. So in this tutorial, I will just show you the correct method. How are we going to add the image-based lighting that tally and match with the sky background, the panorama, the 360-degree panorama that exactly downloaded from the HDRI, the Polyheaven HDRI. Then everything will just make it perfect with the lighting, the IBL, and the match with the sky background. Alright, so start from now. I'm going to show you all the step by step. Let's go. Alright, the first step, just go to your internet browser and search for Polyheaven. You should be able to see the Polyheaven at the first search result. This is the Polyheaven, and then you can just go to the assets HDRI, and from here you can search for any of the HDRI that you want, or you can just find the one that's suitable for you. For example, the sky, sunrise or sunsets for any of the HDRI sky from the Polyheaven website. Of course, you also can choose some of the indoor panorama, for example, the indoor or outdoor. You can see some outdoor HDRI as well. So as demo, I'm going to just choose this one, the 3-line driveway. I click, and then next we are going to download. Click the triple line at here. Download the 8K Tonemap JPG. You can just right click and open in a new tab. It is going to open the whole JPG image, and this is a very big image. It's totally 8K. Right click, save the image as, and I will just save it on my desktop as the JPG file. I click save, and now it is already in my computer, the whole HDRI 8K tone map. It is really high resolution. Alright, the next step, just back to your iClone 8. This is the iClone 8 3D animation software. Go to the visual tab. Go to the visual and then click the first one, the atmosphere. Then scroll down until you see the image-based lighting. Image-based lighting, IBL, is activated, and it already have an IBL image. This is one of the HDRI in the default iClone 8 project. It already activated the image-based lighting. What you need to do is just replace the original IBL image here by using the HDRI 8K tone map that you just downloaded. You just need to drag and drop the JPG into the original IBL. Then it is going to replace the whole IBL. Now it already replaced with the new image. You can adjust the strength. So now, actually in this original iClone scene, it already have other light sources. Go to the scene and and just turn off other light sources like the key light, side light, and the back light, and the floor shadow. So now I already off everything. I already turned everything off. Next, I back to the shadow tab, and then the strength of the IBL I can just drag and drop to just make it stronger. So now the image-based lighting will become the only light source, but then it is still not become a 360-degree panorama. It is still dark at the background. So actually you can just click show sky, click the visible to show the sky, the visible button. Once already click, then you can adjust the blur. Just make the blur to become 0. Then you should be able to see the whole sky panorama already there. This is exactly the HDRI 8K tone map that you downloaded just now. And then next, the angle is something wrong. We are going to reset all the angle. You just need to scroll down until you see the IBL transform, the image-based lighting transform. Just click the reset. It is going to reset all the orientation of the 360-degree panorama. Just click reset it. Now you can see it already back to the correct orientation. So now I press Ctrl G. I already make sure that it show the whole panorama properly. And the final step, under the sign sky, you can see the image is signed. You can just take the image here, deselect the image, then it will back to a really clear image of the original HDRI 8K tone map. Now the background image is already very clear. It is also show the 8K, the big IBL, and you can just go to the sky setting if you need more. For now, actually it already perfect. You have a perfect IBL where you can adjust the strength of the IBL anytime. It will become the skylight for your whole 3D scene. At this moment, you can turn on other light sources. For example, the shadow, the backlight. If the light is too strong, you can just turn on the floor shadow only. Now the floor shadow light is the only light now. And everything will just look more natural. And just look at the sky. Where is the sun? Then adjust the floor shadow to just fit to the sun direction. Match to the sun direction. The shadow should be behind of the object, and if the object is face the sun, then the shadow should just behind the object. Then everything will just look perfect and logic. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the Polyheaven HDRI 8K tone map to become the image-based lighting in your iClone 8 3D animation software, and also make it become a 360-degree panorama as a sky background. At the same time, for all of the image-based lighting, all follow the 8K tone map, all follow the sky, and all of the orientation will be correct. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos tutorials about 3D modeling and 3D animation, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!